20 most common sales mistakes. 1. Not having good listening skills. 2. Giving away too much information. 3. Not focusing on solutions. 4. Talking more on price than value. 5. Making hollow promises. 6. No intention of closing a sale. 7. Do not know how to handle objections. 8. Get in to argue with a potential customer. 9. Sales representative is underprepared. 10. Not able to talk to decision makers. 11. Do not sell to someone who doesn't need it. 12. Not asking the hard questions. 13. Selling alone. 14. Agreeing to every term of customer. 15. Diverting attention to unimportant topics. 16. Not having a plan for follow-up. 17. Talking bad about the competition. 18. Talking after closing a deal. 19. Not appropriate body language and too many filler words. 20. Do not let prospects control the narrative of the sales.